Hi, I'm Zeke, KJ7NLL, and in the last video we used subcircuits to make layouts and connect them with inets. Now I'm going to show you how to export Gerbers. So we're going to go to Scripts, Layout, Export PCB Drill Gerber. It's thinking. Okay, we're going to make this English, and we're going to browse. And we're going to put it into AWR projects, HF radio, select folder, okay. Now it'll blink. It's checking the LPF. Gerber and no file export complete. You'll have to download Gerbv. Okay, so now we have to open Gerbv. And now we are going to go to AWR projects and go to HF radio and drill.ger. Now we're going to do Control O, copper, open, okay. Now file, open. So now that we have all of our colors, we're going to click and make these white, okay. Now we're going to click on this and make this black, okay. And we're going to click on this and make this black, okay. And then we're going to do view background color and make it white, okay. And then now we're going to take off the footprint, and then this is what it looks like on Gerbv. Now we have made the 11 extra band extension in the layout of Microwave Office, created Gerber files for it, and viewed it in Gerbv. Thank you for watching, and 73 characteristic dipole impedance.